Smart ways to improve brain health. What you feed your brain is particularly important. Eat different vegetable and fruits. After all, what you eat is what you become. Purchase healthy groceries from stores. Don't binge on snacks. They will harm you more than your enemy can. Hydrate your brain properly. Set a goal for daily fluid intake. Carry a refillable water bottle with you wherever you go. The first thing you should do in the morning is drink about half to 1 liter of water. By sleeping 8 hours a day, recharge your brain. Hit the pillow at 9:30 p.m. each day. Wake up at 5:30 a.m. in the morning and start the next smart way to improve your brain health. Move your body to the maximum. Exercise helps your brain function properly. It can be a 15-minute walk. Another clever way can be a half-an-hour yoga session. Swimming and jogging can be fruitful for your physical being. Reduce stress as much as you can. Of course, the 4 previous smart methods can help you lessen stress in your life. Reorganize your work schedule and way of working. Introspect about it and bring a change. An organized way of doing work will surely relax you. Info brief. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.